Hello. Hello my dear students. Yesterday we did 3 exercises on differential equation 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. I hope you have done it. What we discussed yesterday, we discussed definition of differential equation. That is an equation which consists differential coefficient, dependent variable, independent variable, which are free from radical sign. For example, x dy by dx plus y is equals to, this one is the equation. This is known to be differential equation. How it is a differential equation? I said differential equation is that equation which consists differential coefficients, dependent variable, independent variable, which are free from radical sign. There is no radical sign. Radical sign means fraction, any term which consists exponent in fraction. X dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. This is differential coefficient. It consists differential coefficient. Dependent, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. dx upon dy होता तो x डिपेंडेंट होता, y इंडिपेंडेंट होता, सिंपल. फिर हमने डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव अपीयरिंग इन द इक्वेशन इज नोन टू बी ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. तो इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में सबसे ज्यादा बार डेरिवेटिव कौन सी दिख रही है आपको? यही दिख रही है, dy by dx. सो व्हाट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन? 1. Then we discussed degree of differential equation. I said that the exponent of highest order derivative appearing in the equation is known to be degree of differential equation. So what is exponent of this highest order derivative? That is 1. So degree of this differential equation is 1. In the first exercise, he asked us what is order, what is degree of differential equation. Suppose we have this one, we have suppose our differential equation is this one. This one is not polynomial in first order derivative. So degree in this case is, it doesn't exist. Whenever we have this log of dy by dx, degree doesn't exist. Whenever we have e raised to power dy by dx, degree doesn't exist. So these are few examples where degree doesn't exist. When anything which is not polynomial in differential coefficient, then degree doesn't exist in those cases. Thereafter we discussed exercise 9.2. There we discussed what are general solution and what are particular solution. General solutions are those solutions in which arbitrary constants are present, and particular solutions are those solutions where the values in place of arbitrary constants are given. Then in that exercise we proved whether this equation is solution of given differential equation or not. If that equation satisfied the given differential equation, that means that equation is solution of that differential equation. In the third exercise, we discussed how to form differential equation. In order to form the differential equation, we need to eliminate arbitrary constant in the equation. In order to eliminate those arbitrary constants, we need to differentiate that equation for those number of times the arbitrary constant appear in that equation. So dear student, today we will discuss the next exercise, that is 9.4. Exercise 9.4 of this differential equation. From 9.4 to onward, in the final exam, there we will get, definitely we will get a question from these exercises, either it can come from 9.4 or 9.5 or 9.6 or from miscellaneous exercise. He will ask us to solve this differential equation. There are 4 types to solve the differential equation. Now in this exercise, I am discussing the solution of differential equation by a variable separable. So type 1 is solution of differential equation by variable separable method. Variable separable method means we will take particular variables to their respective sides. For example, we have this question: x dy by dx plus y. Can we separate variables from this exercise? Yes, we can. How? Further, we can write this one as, now we can separate variables. Y वाला y की तरफ, x वाला x की तरफ. So dy upon y is equals to minus 1 upon x dx. Whenever we separate variables, next step we have to integrate both sides. Integrating both sides. So integrating both sides. What is integration of 1 upon x? That is log of x. We all know. What is integration of 1 upon x? Log x plus c. Is it clear? Now we can write this one as e raised to power minus log of x plus c. That means we can write this one as e raised to power log of n log m is log m raised to power n. Right? E raised to power m plus e raised to power n. We can separate this one, e raised to power m into e raised to power n. Y is equals to, now what is base of this one? E. When base of this one is e, it got cancelled with this. We get 1 upon x into e raised to power c. We can write this one as 1 upon x into c, where e raised to power, we can write this one as c1 is equals to c. So this is required solution of this given differential equation. All the questions of this exercise we can do like this. First of all, we have to separate variables, then integrate. After integrating, you will get the equations like this, which will be in terms of x, y, p, q. Is that clear? Should I rub this? Yes, dear students. Is it okay? This exercise is not so difficult. It needs practice. So, for example, we have this exercise 9.4, question number 5. He said, solve this equation. E raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x dy minus e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x dx is equals to 0. He said solve this. That means this one is differential equation e raised per x plus e raised per minus x dy is equals to e raised per x minus e raised per minus x dx. Separating variables. So dy is equals to e raised per x minus e raised per minus x divided by e raised per x plus e raised per minus x dx. After separating, what we need to do? We need to integrate. So integrating both sides with respect to x, integrating both sides, sorry. 1 dy is equals to e raised per x minus e raised per minus x upon e raised per x plus e raised per minus x dx. What is the integration of 1 with respect to y? That is, we all know, that is y. Is it clear? Y plus constant. So can we integrate this? You have done it in chapter 7. Look at this one. How can we integrate this? What is derivative of this one? Derivative of this one e raised per x. Derivative of this one e raised per minus x. Further derivative of minus x is minus 1. So derivative of this becomes e raised per x minus e raised per minus x. That is this one. And we know the formula. Okay, f dash x upon fx, integration of this one is log of fx. So integration of this one is log of fx. Log of fx. You can write the formula. Is it clear? Because f dash x upon fx is equals to, integration is log fx. So we can write this one as y is equals to log of e raised per x plus e raised per minus x plus c2 minus c1. We can write c2 minus c1 as c. एक कांस्टेंट भी लिख सकते हो आप, where c is equals to c2 minus c1. Is it clear to all of you? तो सारे क्वेश्चन इस एक्सरसाइज के एक जैसे ही हैं, बस मेन मोटिव ये है कि वेरिएबल्स को सेपरेट करना आपने, उसके बाद इंटीग्रेशन आपने 20-25 मेथड सीखे हैं पीछे 7th चैप्टर में, तो उनमें से जो भी मेथड लगता है, चाहे पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन का लगता है, चाहे बाय पार्ट्स लगता है, चाहे कोई भी फॉर्मूलेज लगते हैं, तो इंटीग्रेट तो तुम्हें पता ही है, वैसे ही इंटीग्रेट करनी। जिस बच्चे को इंटीग्रेशन आएगी वो ये क्वेश्चन कर लेगा, और डेफिनेटली फाइनल एग्जाम में ये जो 4 टाइप्स मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, इनमें से आएगा ही आएगा क्वेश्चन। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन, लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Question number 15. Should I rub this? So question number 15, question number not 15, question number 17. Listen carefully. Find the equation of curve passing through the point 0, -2, given that at any point xy on the curve, the product of the slope of tangent, product of the slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point is equals to x coordinate. क्या कह रहा है वो? Slope of tangent क्या होती है? dy by dx. तुमने 6th चैप्टर में पढ़ा गया, तुम्हारे को पढ़ाया गया है. So according to question, what we have given, he said कि product of y coordinate and slope of tangent is equals to x coordinate. He has given us this. So we have to solve this equation. In order to solve this, first of all we will separate variables. So separating variables, y dy is equals to x dx. Next step is वही सेम जो पिछले दो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए, इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड्स. So it becomes y dy is equals to x dx. Is that clear? So integration of this one is x raised to power n की integration कितनी होती है? X raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So it becomes y square upon 2, x square upon 2 plus c. But he has given us कि this curve जो कंडीशन तुम्हें दी हुई है उससे जो कर्व बनेगा आपका, उस कर्व में से एक पॉइंट पास कर रहा है और वो पॉइंट क्या है? 0 minus 2. According to question, we have given that 0, minus 2 passes through 1. So x की वैल्यू 0 इसमें पुट कर दोगे, y की वैल्यू -2 इसमें पुट कर दोगे. पुट करो कितना आ गया? 4/2 is equals to 0 plus c. So c becomes 2. Put this value in 1. It becomes y square upon 2 is equals to x square upon 2 plus 2. So it becomes y square is equals to x square plus 4. So this is required curve. Which is required curve? Which is required curve. So is it clear to all of you? ये जो इनिशियल वैल्यूज है, जैसे वो हमें कहता है किसी क्वेश्चन में हमें उसने सॉल्यूशन पूछा है तो हमें यहीं तक खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन. अगर वो हमें इनिशियल वैल्यूज दे देता है उसमें, यानी कि मेरा कहने का मतलब है पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन की को मांगता है, तो वो x और y वहाँ पे हमें देगा. x 0 दे दिया, y 1 दे दिया. इन क्वेश्चंस में भी ऐसा दिया होगा. इस क्वेश्चन में उसने पास करवा लिया, उसका मतलब x ये पुट करना, y ये पुट करना, तो उसमें डिफिकल्ट कुछ नहीं है. इस c को हटा देना, यहाँ आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट हट जाएगा तो पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? Now I would like to discuss one more question. This was question number 17 of exercise 9.4. Note it down. Now I will come to next question, that is question number 21. Should I rub this? Now look at question number 21. Now we come to question number 21. He has given us, in a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year. An amount of rupees 1000 is deposited with the bank, this bank. How much will it worth after 10 years? So we will assume here question number 21. Let P be the principal at any time t. According to question, what we have given? Rate of change. Rate of change आपको पता है 6 चैप्टर में आपने पढ़ा है कि आप y की रेट ऑफ चेंज करते थे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो क्या लिखते थे? dy by dx. तो यहाँ पे उसने क्या है? प्रिंसिपल इंक्रीजेस continuously at the rate of 5% per year. So he has given us rate of change of principal 5 of principal. Is that clear? अब देखो ये एक्सरसाइज हम कर रहे हैं सेपरेटिंग वेरिएबल वाले. नेचुरली यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन वही होंगे जो सेपरेट वेरिएबल सेपरेबल हो रहे होंगे. यहाँ देखो वेरिएबल हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. p वाला p की तरफ चला जाएगा, t वाला t की तरफ. सो सेपरेटिंग वेरिएबल्स we get dp upon p is equals to 1 upon 20 dt. dp upon p is equals to 1 upon 20 dt. Now integrating both sides, we get dp upon p is equals to 1 upon 20 d integration of 1 with respect to t. So integration of 1 upon p log p Integration of 1 with respect to t upon 20 plus arbitrary constant c. Suppose this one is equation number 1. He said an amount of rupees 1000 is deposited with this bank. How much will it worth after 10 years? Now, when time is 0, principal is rupees 1000. So this equation becomes log 1000 is equals to 0 plus c. So c becomes log of 1000. So put this value of c in 1. We get it becomes log p t upon 20 plus log of 1000. So it becomes log p minus log 1000 is equals to t upon 20. It gives us t upon 20 is equals to, we know log m minus log n, log m upon n. You can assume 2, equation number 2. Now he said, okay, how much will it worth after 10 years? When time is 10 years, then P kitna hoga? We have to find out this. So put this value in this equation, it becomes 10 upon 20 is equals to log of P upon, it becomes 1 upon 2, that means 0.5. 0.5 log of p upon 1000. इसको कन्वर्ट कर दो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में, ये कितना हो जाएगा? p upon 1000 is equals to e raised पर 0.5. और इस क्वेश्चन में e raised पर 0.5 की उसने वैल्यू दे रखी है. कितनी दे रखी है? 1.648. It becomes p is equals to 1000 into 1.648. He has given us e raised to power 0.5 is 1.648. So principal कितना आ गया? इसको multiply किया, it becomes 1648 rupees. So this is our answer. Is that clear? So बच्चों, इस ये जो एक्सरसाइज मैंने 3 क्वेश्चन इसके डिस्कस किए हैं आपके साथ, इस एक्सरसाइज के 3 क्वेश्चन मैंने डिस्कस किए हैं. सारे क्वेश्चन एक जैसे हैं कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन एक ऐसा नहीं है कि आप नहीं कर सकते, आप सभी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे देखो, पहले हमने इक्वेशन देखनी है, नहीं दी होगी, स्टेटमेंट दी होगी तो बनानी है, और उसके बाद आपने वेरिएबल सेपरेट करने हैं. अगर वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो जाते हैं उसके बाद आपको इंटीग्रेशन आती है, आपने 7th चैप्टर किया हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग जितने भी फार्मूलेज हैं आपने इंटीग्रेशन करनी है और आपका सोल्यूशन आ जाएगा. जो भी मांगता है क्वेश्चन में आप कर सकते हो, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. आपने ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज, ये आप एक दिन पूरा ले लो, इसको, इस एक्सरसाइज को कर देना. नेक्स्ट टाइम हम दूसरी टाइप करेंगे, दैट इज solution of differential equation reducible to variable separate. Till then.